Good morning, kids, and welcome back to your math class. Today we will solve some new topic, that is subtraction. Subtraction means taking away. Taking away means making less, minus. Okay, minus. In the addition, what we have did, we have added the two numbers. We add the two numbers. In subtraction, adding means putting together, but in the subtraction means taking away. We take away. Okay, so now in this page number 61, in this page we will learn that take away means make the subtraction. Here 5, take away 2. This girl has bought first 5 flowers, and this girl has taken away 2 flowers from that 5 flowers, means 5 taken away 2, left how much? 3. If kids, if your brother has, your elder brother has 5 chocolates, and if you take 2 chocolates from that 5 chocolates, how many chocolates will remain with your brother? 3 chocolates. So same here are flowers. So take away means minus. Subtraction. 4, here are 4 leaves. From that take away 2, cancel 2. What it is remaining now? Only 2 are remaining. So from 4 minus 2, left is 2. Now here, how many butterflies are here? 1, 2, 3. Right here, 3 butterflies. Take away. How many butterflies have taken away from that? All 3. So what is remaining now? Only flower is remaining, no butterflies. So no butterflies, 3 minus 3 will left 0. Okay, now here how many pencils are? 1, 2, 3. Right here 3. Taken away only 1 pencil. So how much is remaining? 1, 2. 2 pencils are remaining. Now here subtraction. Yes, subtraction. Here are some jugs of what? Mud or clay jugs. From that here are 6 jugs, and how much will break down? 4 has broken. Now how many are remaining? 2. From 6, 4 are broken, only 2 are remaining. Now here how many frogs are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 frogs are here. From that 2 will fall into a river. How many are remaining now? Only 3. So 5 minus 2, answer is 3. Answer is 3. Now next one. Here how many leaves are? 9. So from 9, how many leaves have fallen down? 4. What is remaining now? 9 minus 4. How many are remaining? 5 are remaining. 5 leaves are remaining. In this basket, how many mangoes are here, kids? First 5. How many she has eaten? How many mangoes she has eaten? Only 1. Now from 5 she has finished 1. She has eaten 1. Means how many are remaining? Only 4 mangoes are remaining. Only 4 mangoes are remaining. Now next one, subtraction. Again page number 63. Here also how many glasses are here? 1, 2, 3. So right here 3 glasses. How many are broken here? 3 minus 3, and what is remaining? 0. Okay, here how many fruits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 fruits are here. From that, how many are taken away? Taken away. Minus. This is a minus sign. This has to be represented. This shows that minus. You have to make less. Take away. Subtract. So, how many they have taken away? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are remaining now? Only. How many are taken away? 4 are taken away. What is remaining here now? 3. So 7 minus 4, your difference. What you will get here? That is called difference. In the addition, what you will get? The answer after adding, that is sum. So what you will get after subtracting? That is a difference. That is difference. Now here, how many apples are here, kids? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 apple. 6 fruits are here. So from 6 fruits, how many are taken away? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are taken away. So 6 minus 4. From 6 they are taken away. How many apples? 4 apples. So how many are remaining now here? Only 1, 2. Only 2 are remaining. Now here in the pot, how many flowers are here, kids? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 flowers are there. From that, all 7 flowers are taken away. So 7 minus 7, 0. What is remaining? Nothing. So what it is? 0. Now once again I will explain you. Take away, subtraction. Taking away means subtraction. 5 is from 5 flowers, there are 2 flowers are taken away. So how many flowers are left, kids? Only 3 flowers are left. So from here 4 leaves are there. From that 2 are taken away. Only 2 are remaining. Okay. Now here, how many butterflies are here? For one flower, how many butterflies are here? Only 3 butterflies. From that, now butterflies are taken away. How many butterflies are taken away? 1, 2, 3 butterflies taken away. Only now no 0 butterflies are 0. No butterflies are remaining here. So no means empty. Nothing means 0. Now this boy has 3 pencils and this girl has taken 1 pencil from that boy. So 3 minus 1, only 2 pencils are remaining with that boy. Here are the clay jugs. 6 clay jugs. From 6 clay jugs, how many are broken down? 4. So how many are remaining now? 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Now frogs. How many frogs are here sitting here? 5 frogs are sitting here. From that 2 frog went inside the river. How many are remaining now? Only 3 are remaining. Here, how many leaves are here? 9. So from 9 leaves, how many should be fallen down? 4. So how many are remaining? Only 5 leaves are remaining here. Here are 5 mangoes in the basket. From that, 1 mango has eaten by this girl. So now 5 minus 1. From 5, 1 mango is taken away. So how many are remaining now? 4. Here again. Here are 3 glasses. How many glasses? 3 glasses. And how many are broken down? All 3. You know the property of 0. Yes or no? 3 minus 3, the answer will remain 0. Nothing remain means what it is? Empty. Empty means 0. Okay, now next, how many fruits are there? 7 fruits are there. So from 7, how much the person has taken away? How much are taken away? 4 are taken away. So from 7 fruits, 4 are taken away. Then how much will remain? Only 3 will remain. From 7 you take away 4 means what it will remain? only 3 fruits will remain same. Next, here are 6 fruits, 6 apples. From that, 4 fruits are taken away, removed away. Means what are remaining now in here? 2. Only 2 apples are remaining. So answer is 2. Now next, 7 flowers are here. From 7, all 7 are taken away. So what will remain here? 0. So now you know, you have understood, whenever you will subtract, after subtraction you will get the answer, that is called, what it is called? Difference. And when you will add two numbers, that time what you will get? That is called sum. Okay, addition means putting together. Subtraction means taken away. Subtraction means taken away and addition means putting together. So you have, what you have did here? Taken away. Today what you have learnt? Taking away. So this will help you to subtraction. So kids, we will again next we will discuss in our next class. Till that, have a nice day. Take care kids, and complete this in your math magic book. So we'll stop our class today here. Bye.